In this video, I will show you how to install Elementor Page Builder plugin for WordPress. So if you want, you can easily create or make a page in your WordPress website very easily using Elementor. And in this video, I will show you step by step how to do it. First of all, log into your WordPress admin dashboard and then hover over on plugins and just click on add new plugin. And here in this search plugins box, you have to simply type here Elementor and just search for it. And this is the actual plugin, Elementor Website Builder. So all you have to need, install and activate this Elementor plugin here. Once the plugin successfully added, in your WordPress dashboard, here you will find Elementor. Just click on that and click on settings, and you will directly jump into Elementor settings page. Here, post types, you can enable or disable any of them from here. Disable default colors, you can do it from here. You can also disable default fonts from here, and usage data sharing you can enable from here. And now, once you've successfully customized Elementor settings, now let's create a new page using this Elementor Page Builder plugin. So I'm going to my page section and clicking on add new page. And simply I'm giving a page title here. And now just click on edit with Elementor. And then you will directly jump into Elementor Page Builder. Here you can easily drag any container or elements to build your page. So in next video, I will show you how you can easily create a website using this Elementor. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.